Hey there, it's Angela de Freitas. I'm a real estate agent in Conway, Arkansas, and today I want to speak with you about buying a foreclosed home. A lot of people are interested in looking at foreclosures. I think most people think it's a really good way to get a good deal. So they think that because it's been foreclosed, that it's going to be sold for less than market value, and that they're going to walk in with equity. But I want to give a little bit of a reality check here. What I've encountered in the last few years are a lot of first-time home buyers who are looking for a good deal. They want a house and they are willing to put work into it, so they think foreclosure. But there are a few pitfalls to buying foreclosures. One of the first ones that I want to address is the type of loan that you get. At least in our market area here, it is not uncommon for a foreclosure to have an issue. Let's say an appliance is missing, like the stove, microwave, dishwasher, hot water heater, or there's been some damage done to the house. Maybe some walls have holes, or doors have holes, or doors are missing, or windows are broken. And there are even those that are more severe. The roof is got a leak, the heat and air is not working, things of that nature. Well, most first-time home buyers are going to be getting some sort of loan, like an FHA loan. They may even be looking for some assistance with down payment and closing costs. And in this case, a foreclosed home is not going to pass muster for those appraisals. What that means is that when you get a loan, like an FHA loan or a VA loan or a real development loan or government assistance with your down payment, they're going to be coming and looking at the house, and they're going to expect it to be essentially move-in ready. And it varies depending on the kind of loan you get. But I have seen them be as picky as there are paint chips and it had to be fixed. They certainly were not going to be financing a home that didn't have a dishwasher or a hot water heater or a leaky roof. So you might want to, before you get your hopes up and before you start spending a lot of time looking online, looking for that perfect deal of a foreclosure that you dream about fixing up and moving in, you need to talk to your lender first and make sure what kind of loan you can get. Typically, foreclosures are cash, conventional loan, maybe a bank loan. That's why often you see a lot of investors buying those because those kinds of loans require much higher down payments than the other types of loans that are going to be coming and inspecting that house and expecting it to be in move-in condition. So that's one of the things. The other thing is that it's not true that foreclosures are necessarily going to be sold for below market value. There are times when that happens, and when that happens, it's great, especially if the house is in good condition. That does happen. But the thing is that it's just not the norm. So I just, in this video, want to set the expectation straight that foreclosures are, this amazing deal that you're going to be able to buy your first home and fix it up and get this amazing price, because it is really hard. It's really hard to find a foreclosure that, first of all, is in that kind of condition. And second of all, that is truly below market price. Especially when they're owned by bigger banks, they don't necessarily care to just, get rid of the property for, below market value. They don't have the incentive to do that. They might be willing to, depends on how long it's been on the market. But chances are pretty good that you're still going to be paying more or less market value. So just wanted to kind of shed a little light on buying a foreclosure. I'll do another video soon about the process of buying different kinds of foreclosures, because it can be a process. It's a different process than, say, a typical home that's on the market by a private individual. So if you have any comments, questions, or thoughts on it, shoot me a comment below or just send me an email and I'll be happy to get back to you on it. Otherwise, hope you guys have a great day.